everyone, welcome to Val's Kitchen Eats, and today in this kitchen I would like to make stuffed eggplants. I got these beautiful eggplants and I was thinking what to do with them. Why not stuff them? I got beautiful ingredients here. Look at these bell peppers, beautiful color on them, nice tomato. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Let's just jump right into it. Alright, so I started by peeling this onion and the garlic. The garlic and the onion will cook first. The onion, just nice size square dice. So that goes in first. I got the pan heating here. I got a good size pan. And just turn it up a little higher. Add a little bit of olive oil. Probably 4 tablespoons or so. And I'm going to begin by cooking this onion because it's going to take a little longer than the rest of the vegetables. Right, with my garlic, what I'm going to do is just I peeled it and I'm going to press it down with my knife. Like that. I'm going to put a little bit of this kosher salt on it. It makes it easier to chop. And I'm just going to mince it really fine. Put that to the side, and let's start with our zucchini. Chop that, the end, put it here. And same thing, I'm looking for dice sizes. So here, I'll go underneath, across. So what you're looking for is dice size. Put that aside. Okay, I have my onions on the lowest setting, just kind of melting away into our olive oil, just loosening up all the flavors. And now I'm working on my celery. Same thing. You're looking everything to be kind of similar dice. Let's work on our bell peppers. Cut them in half. Take all that seed out. All the white stuff needs to come out. The ribs, they call them. So, just like that. Chopped garlic goes in. That. Okay, I'm done chopping my peppers. So my onion and garlic mixture, and peppers go in. Start cooking that. And it's time for our eggplant. So I washed them, and I'm just going to cut them in half. You gotta scoop them without breaking the shell. So just kind of go underneath. Okay, so this is what I have. That's one. Okay, so I have all my shells. The flesh is taken out. And I'm gonna just chop the eggplant into dices as well. Everything goes right into the pan. Swimming in the same pool here. This is what we have. It's going to continue to cook. And now I'm going to work on these tomatoes. Same thing, I'm going to just dice them. Okay, I got my tomatoes halved. Start dicing them before I do that. I have this red pepper flakes, so that can go in. That's optional. If you want a little heat, you can. You don't have to. And with the tomato, same size. Everything gets cut into about same size dice. These are beautifully ripe. kind of soft, but that's going to give us a lot of flavor. Okay, so our mixture has been cooking here for a few minutes, and it is time for the rest of the vegetables to go in. Tomatoes. Okay guys, I took my mixture off, so this is what you're looking for. And I'm giving it a few minutes to kind of cool off a little bit. And I got this big bowl, 2 eggs, I'm gonna whisk up. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this parsley, reserve some for garnish. A little bit of this mozzarella cheese right there. And the mixture can go in. On the side. And mix it in really quick with all that egg in there. See if we can just mix it up. Alright guys, so with the eggplants, I got them on the sheet pan. Okay. And I got my oven preheated to 375 degrees. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just drizzle some of this olive oil on top, not much. Just like that. And let's brush them. So we get all coated. Backside as well. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt, just the shells. Some pepper. Okay, and then it's time to fill them in. So our mixture goes in just like that. Okay, and the egg is going to kind of keep it binded with the cheese. Okay guys, so I filled them up. They're all full, and I'm going to just hit it with a little bit of this Parmesan cheese. Okay. Parmigiano Reggiano, and a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, so the cheese is layered nicely on top, and I'm going to spread them out, give them as much air circulation on this pan as possible so they're not touching each other. And this is what they look like. I'm going to pop them in the oven. I'm going to keep an eye on them. What I'm looking for is that nice golden color and for the cheese to start bubbling. Depends up to your oven. You're looking at 350, 375. And I'll show you guys what it's going to look like in just about maybe 7-8 minutes from now. Alright guys, the timer just went off. So let's take a look in the oven and see where we're at. Let's take a look. Looking good. They're just going to need a little more time. Alright, it is time to take our stuffed eggplant out of the oven. So, halfway through the cooking process, the cheese, I saw that it's caramelizing a little faster before our eggplant would actually shell get cooked. So I just put some foil over it, just like that. And it's nice and bubbling on the inside. The flesh, the shell is nice and soft, so I know it's done. Okay, so at this point, this dish is eaten when it's room temperature. So I'm gonna just leave it on the counter here and let it cool off. And I'll see you guys for the taste test. Okay guys, it is time to try it. So it only took a few ingredients to make this beautiful eggplant, right? We only used eggs, cheese, vegetables, that's about it. So I gave it some time to cool off. You don't have to eat it hot. Oh, this eggplant cuts right through with no effort. And let's try. Wow. If you really enjoy eggplants, you have to try this. All those peppers, all the tomatoes, the eggplant, the cheese, all those flavors are just coming right through. The balsamic glaze that I made, that kind of gives it that zing on your tongue, a little bit of that. So very easy, healthy. I gotta try it one more time. Really good. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Aloha.